Alright, I'm gonna just sit right here.
I heard last Twitch. That's what I heard last time, bro.
I love your dun.
In my head, in my soul, in my heart, I'll be sitting in my room thinking how I smelled that fart. My shiny teeth that twinkle, just like the stars in space.
Oh, what's happening here? How long is this song?
Do you know the song?
Yes, this is from freaking Fairly Odd Parents. What's going on back here? Look at you. Are you getting out of the car? Oh,
Shiny teeth in me.
there's a person there. I got the Torque, Zan.
Oh.
Just like the stars in my shiny teeth that
What?
Like this, position twist like a damn contortionist. Cut on my dick, of course it is.
The light?
Don't know what abortion is. I can't come in a box like this, so it looks like in a fuck I'm gonna got my drink, my cover's coming up. Oh, it's so fucking wet inside. I'm squirming, just not letting off. I'm squirming.
Zan, are you pushing? You gotta say bye to the world. What was that noise?
Goodbye.
Oh,
I'm a Stegosaurus.
shut up, Zan.
Wow. Oh.
This might take a while.
Fucking gay. God damn it, you got me on that.
Okay.
Do it. Let's go. Together.
Wow. There you go.
Bye, Zan.
Bye.
Bye, Zan. Don't act awkward. You're like, oh my God, my life.
Get her away from me.
Cheers.
Okay, get out now. Sorry. That was my fault.
I got you. There's another door here. Wait for it.
I got stuck.
Oh yeah, I watched it.
Okay, so it's 3 a.m. Surrey, is this the devil's hour?
Interesting question, Josiah.
Welcome back, guys, to the vlog. Look, it's with Edward. And we're at Nature Sanctuary, Emma's room, and we're exploring. It's really creepy. Guys, wait for me.
So last time I was here, me and my buddy Jai, shout out I am here, we were over here and we were standing right there. And we were getting ready. It was gonna be like kind of a messed up one, like demonic-ish.
Oh yeah,
We heard
that's
knocking.
lovely.
Dude, we were gone.
Like actual knocking.
Yeah, or something like that. But I took off. I was down that way before he was even leaving.
Was it at 3 a.m.?
Around there. You can ask him. Trust me, it's crazy. And there it is.
Doesn't it say her name on here? I could have sworn it said her name. What?
Yeah, when we're in the car. We'll
After
wait.
I'm like yelling and screaming for my life?
What should I do right now?
Interesting question.
Yeah, this is totally fake.
Let me
It
see.
ain't real.
Siri, how old are you?
I'm as old as you are.
Okay. Siri, you're really starting to piss me off.
You know what they say about blaming the messenger.
I could have sworn it had her name written on here. Can you not?
I'll write your name on there. You gonna like it?
Let's not write my name on here.
I'll write your name, number, contact info, blood type, and social security.
You don't even know any of those things.
I'll call your mom.
It's all Blair Witch style when you have it like that.
Yes, when she's in the... What was that? When she's like crying. Yes. Oh god. Alright.
You drop your flush.
I know. I'm gonna be that person that drops their shit.
Guys.
Okay, I'm the last one.
It's a weird looking shit.
I hate you. This shit looks like Slender Man.
You had to say that.
Hey, Edward. Did you see that?
I'm on edge, guys.
No, because look, I saw like something that was right here in front of me.
I'm in front of you.
No, stupid. Like, I missed.
You're a mess.
Guys, on camera, this really does look like Slender Man.
What?
God. Look at the sky. I wonder what would happen. That's what I was just about to do. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
My eyes are already kind of adapted. I can kind of see out here now.
Yeah, so.
Guys,
I mean, you know, as long as we stay out in the open.
honestly, look at how we're standing. We're all standing like our backs to each other. We really
Where
were.
we're gonna be safe.
Nobody's getting me from the back, I'm telling you what. Who's you supposed to get from? Not today.
Not today, Satan. Edward,
Yeah.
do it. You know what I'm talking about. No.
What?
Oh my god. Robert, do you know what I'm talking about? What do you do in the forest at 3 a.m.?
I could tell you a list of things, but you want to know first?
What the
No, I swear to God.
Oh my god!
No.
You scared the
Wait.
crap out of me!
You're not doing
You
that.
scared me!
You are not doing that.
Did you really just get that?
Yes. You're doing it.
You
Yeah,
grabbed
that's
me.
my car.
Ready?
No.
Ow!
No.
Don't blind me. This is how we die.
That's how you die. I got my car.
Guys, what if we just saw people like coming?
I'd Scooby-Doo miss and I'd be running over to my car. I'm telling you this.
This is creepy.
I'm out.
Did you hear that?
I'm out.
Did you hear that?
I'm out.
Edward, wait!
That was a scream. I swear.
It was a bird, but it was still
Creepy.
it was still
Weird.
fucking creepy.
Still odd.
Yeah. I mean, it was like a misplaced bird. It didn't sound like it belonged at
And-
3 o'clock in the morning.
And
Like,
also,
screaming.
there is no other birds playing right now.
You
Playing.
didn't know what the bird's playing
I
at.
really
Shut
hope that
up.
actually came out on there so we don't just sound like we're lying.
I really hope so too. Oh, look.
Wait.
What?
I heard it again.
Did you really?
Hey Siri, what are you doing?
Just responding to 3 million people calling out Hey Siri at the same time.
Let's
Hey,
go
dog.
in.
More white people shit.
More white people shit. That sounds really close.
No,
You know-
no, I don't want to be there.
Edward! Honestly, be careful for snakes or any other creatures.
You tell me this. That's right. Okay, I'm going.
Edward, oh, look at the house. That should look crazy. That's scary.
Oh, shit, there's a spider.
Whoa!
Right there.
Oh, I see it. It's a huge ass spider.
Something bigger.
Good thing.
Alright, I don't know if I'm gonna go any further.
Come
It's
on.
getting tall.
Come on. You're okay. Hold on, Robert. Oh my god. Are we getting close to the bridge?
I don't know, but I'm getting freaked out right now.
This grass is getting really, really tall.
That's why I said.
I know, I heard that
Did you
too.
hear something?
Yes.
What'd you hear?
I don't know if I'm getting ready to run.
Okay, I heard that. Let's go.
Wait, I'm out.
Which way do we go?
This way. I remember that tree freaked me out earlier.
The tree freaked you out?
Yeah.
Did that sound like a cry?
I don't know. I told you I heard something.
Right?
Why you turn off the light?